Greetings from myself. I am Dr. Sarada, retired as Head Department of Physics and Electronics from St. Anne's College. Today we will learn how to find the angle of the prism using a spectrometer. I think in your earlier classes you have already learned how to adjust the spectrometer for taking the readings. In this section, I divide this into two sections. First, I will show you how to perform the experiment, taking the readings, and then in the second part, I will show you how to do the calculations, that is, taking the 1 year readings 1 and 2, and how to calculate the angle of the prism. So before we start the experiment, let us see that if a light is falling on a plane surface, it is completely reflected, and from the laws of reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So in this experiment, what we are using is a prism. Prism is a material which has two surfaces which are rectangular and they are plane surfaces. So therefore they are reflecting surfaces. And we also have two triangular surfaces. One is opaque, one is transparent. These are refracting surfaces. So when a light is falling on these surfaces, part of the light is reflected and the remaining part is transmitted. So from this principle, we are using the spectrometer, adjusting the telescope in the first point, then keeping the prism and taking the reflected image from both the surfaces and finding the difference between the two readings will give you the angle of the prism. And mostly we will be taking the equilateral prism. As you know, equilateral prism has an angle of 60 degrees. For each angle it is 3 into 60, 180 degrees totally. So what we do is, we calculate the angle between the two reflecting surfaces, which is 2 times the angle theta, let us say. Then the correct angle would then be given by 2 theta by 2, that is the angle of the prism. So let us first understand what we are doing, then I will show you the simulation of how to do the experiment. So first thing is, we have to adjust the telescope. You can see the spectrometer down here, telescope. Focus the telescope to a distant object and see you get a well-defined image. Now as you can see, it is not very good definition. So therefore you have to still adjust. You think it is good image, but it is not good because you can see that the button start for the simulation is not yet activated until the focus is properly done. Now this is a better position, a better focus, and therefore the start button is activated. So first focus it to a distant object, adjust the telescope. Then what you have to do is start the simulation, adjust the slit focus, this is the slit, adjust the slit width, okay, switch on the light. You have switch off and switch on, it's a toggle. So once it is on, later it will be off. So this is how you do. As you can see, this is the prism. This is one reflecting surface. This is the other reflecting surface. So turn this, fix the prism table, turn the telescope towards this reflecting surface and try to get the image. Then note 1 year 1 reading and similarly 1 year 2 readings. 1 year 1, 1 year 2 readings. Then take the telescope onto the other side. Once again measure, take the readings of 1 year 2, 1 year 1. Record your observations in the form of this tabular column here. 1 year 1, 1 year 2. Phase A and phase B, or you can also write it as left side and right side. Reading of a reflected ray from the phase A onto the left. Phase 2, which is onto the right. Take MSR, VSR. MSR refers to the main scale reading. VSR refers to the 1 year scale reading. Okay. And similarly on the other side, 1 year 2 also you have to take. So then difference between A and B. So the difference between two 1 year scale ones, two 1 year scales 2 are taken. The mean value is giving you the value of theta. The angle of the prism is to be recorded. So this is as far as the explanation is concerned. Okay. Now I'll take you to the virtual laboratory and perform the experiment. So before I take this, what you have to do is perform this experiment virtually as many number of times as possible. Record your observations, practice well, go back to your respective colleges and do perform this experiment in a physical mode.